Welcome to Cal Science. We're standing outside the main laboratory on Lincoln Way, and we're being greeted by the nearly 150 hardworking employees as we celebrate 25 years of service to California, the Western U.S., and the Pacific Rim. Please join me on the tour of the laboratory.
Cal Science is one of the largest commercial laboratories in California, occupying nearly 80,000 square feet of office and laboratory space. The laboratory is comprised of 4 separate facilities here in Garden Grove. This is the main facility that houses sample receiving, project management, and 4 operational groups.
Here we are at sample control at the main laboratory. This is where all samples are received, logged in, and sent to their respective departments.
All arriving samples are checked for temperature, integrity, proper preservation, and are reconciled against the chain of custody record. Sample receiving is a critical function of the laboratory. Any errors at this point in the process can result in a host of problems going forward, including holding time issues and inappropriate testing. Attention to detail is key. Samples are then logged into the Cal Science LIMS system. All worksheets generated are then rechecked by project managers before testing is initiated. While awaiting analysis, aqueous and solid samples are stored in one of 2 large walk-in coolers maintained at proper temperature. Entering the laboratory operations area of the main lab, we are here at the clean room housing our ultra-trace metal instruments. We analyze for a whole suite of trace metals in fresh or seawater with the Perkin-Elmer ICP-MS with dynamic reaction cell technology. Next door, routine metals testing for soils and waters are performed using ICP and ICP-MS. This is the primary extraction laboratory for semi-volatile organic compounds, including pesticides and PCBs. Extraction techniques include sonication, soxhlet, separatory funnel, liquid-liquid extraction, and pressurized fluid extraction. Shown here are solid phase extractors for aqueous samples. Solid phase extraction offers advantages of efficiency and solvent use over traditional methods. Following extraction, semi-volatile analysis takes place using GCMS or GC with other detectors. These tumbling jars are for toxicity leaching studies such as TCLP and SDLC. While automation is prevalent throughout the lab, traditional wet chemistry still has its place. Cal Science has 12 dedicated and responsive project managers or account managers, and there is a staff of dedicated IT professionals maintaining and upgrading the laboratory information management system. Training is a routine and essential part of our company's mission of continual improvement and individual advancement.
We've completed our tour of the main laboratory. Let's head down western to the Volatiles and Air Lab. I'm standing outside of our Volatiles laboratory, which also houses our Air group. This 17,000 square foot building is just 4 years old and offers a solvent-free environment for determining volatile organic compounds in all matrices. Let's have a look.
Like all our facilities, the entrance to the VOC laboratory is electronically secured. The VOC laboratory is state-of-the-art, and with an inventory of 27 mass specs, there is plenty of capacity for our many oil industry and U.S. Department of Defense contracts. Besides solvents, TPH as gasoline and other purgables are determined here. Adjacent to the VOC laboratory is the Air laboratory. Shown here are the TO14, TO15, and TO17 instruments and autosamplers. We also determine TPH as gasoline and diesel, fixed gases, non-methane organics, and hydrogen sulfide. Cal Science maintains an inventory of 1,500 6 and 1 liter Summa canisters.
We've arrived at our final destination, the Marine Chemistry Laboratory on Knott Street. This building offers 9,000 square feet of laboratory and office space. The laboratory is dedicated to marine chemistry testing, including sediments and tissues.
Cal Science has supported major dredging projects at Southern and Northern California ports and marinas, and in Hawaii, Guam, Japan, and Puerto Rico. The Marine Chemistry Lab has full extraction capabilities, including soxhlet extraction, shown here. Certain instruments are unique to the marine lab, including the freeze-drying unit used for tissue prep and moisture content determination. Because of the lipids and other matrix issues, special cleanup procedures are used when analyzing tissues, including GCP cleanup. Shown here is the walk-in freezer for the marine lab, which maintains a temperature of -18 degrees Celsius for tissues and sediments. The second floor houses the sophisticated instrumentation, including 2 triple quadruple GCMS units that are ideal for complex samples. Also housed in the marine chemistry lab is the container prep group, which assembles all bottled kits and ice chests for our clients' field sampling programs. Stored in the warehouse next door are hard copy records of our clients' projects, including quality control records. Our clients can be reassured that their project file is available for review should it be needed at some later date.
We hope you've enjoyed the tour of our lab facilities. Let us know if you'd like to come by for a personal visit. For more information, visit our website at www.calscience.com. Thanks, and we hope to see you soon.